The other major piece, where a constant decisioning is required is what do you hire? What should your team constitute?
Of course. Okay.
Right? 3 aspects are very important.
Mm-hmm.
The first aspect is the architecture of the system or the application that we're building.
Okay.
It's paramount, right? For what scale am I building this for? Am I building this for population scale? Am I building this for, a small set of the population? How many millions of downloads would I want to have? These are architectural decisions that you're making early on. What kind of concurrency do you want the application to, behave well for?
Uh-huh.
So this is where I guess, the having that in-house architectural talent, whether it's in terms of cloud, whether it's in terms of microservices, whether it's in terms of data, these are critical assets and we need to have them in-house. The second aspect is in terms of the experience that you want to offer your users, right?
Yes.
Not necessarily internal users, especially customer-facing assets, like let's say a mobile app or a CRM, where people want to come and register their queries, complaints, etc., etc. It's an experience that you're offering there. Right? And the people who design the UX, whether it's the product managers or the UX engineers, you want that talent in-house. You don't want to outsource the experience factor that you want to offer to your customers to somebody else, because you know your customers better than others.
Right.
So that's the second element. The third element where I would want in-house talent is in terms of who is testing it before the system actually hits the larger masses, right? Whether it's system integration, whether it is user acceptance, whether it is A/B testing, you want that in-house. I'm not so much bothered in terms of who writes the code, but my architecture, my test capabilities, my product capabilities in terms of interface user experience factors, these have to be in-house.
Okay.
That's my line of thought.